Alright, so I hope you guys are prepared for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market because we're about to see a major move happening very, very soon. Okay, as we know, it's finally February, and February is one of the most bullish months for crypto, okay, especially Bitcoin. So understand, guys, okay, a major move, a parabolic move is about to happen. I truly do believe this month is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, guys. Okay, we're going to be seeing Bitcoin pumping to new highs. We're finally going to be seeing Ethereum move because, as we all know, Ethereum hasn't really been moving, and that's fine. It will very, very soon. Okay, and altcoins. Okay, understand, alt season will finally begin, guys. Okay, understand that we're about to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, and that's going to be a huge signal, okay, for altcoins to start skyrocketing. So crypto holders, I hope you guys are ready. This is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. All those times buying the dips, okay, being patient, and most importantly holding, okay, your positions is finally going to pay off, right? We all are truly going to be rewarded massively very, very soon. So, guys, it's about to happen. So, I hope you guys are ready for that. So, in today's video, I want to talk about that. There is, in fact, a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys. But before I show you guys these charts, okay, I do want to give you guys a quick little update on what is happening right now with Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, what's happening with the crypto market today? So, that being said, Bitcoin right now, okay, sitting at 101. Yesterday we actually saw Bitcoin all the way up at $106,000, just above $106,000. And then on the same day, okay, and this happened just yesterday, guys, okay? So 1st of February, okay, today's the 2nd of February, right? So yesterday we saw Bitcoin at 106, and then it completely dropped all the way back down to 101, pretty much where it is right now. Okay, so you guys can clearly see on the very same day, right? 1st of February, we saw at 106 and then dropped all the way down to 101. Okay, I mean, things like this does happen. Okay, this is part of, crypto, right? We have, in fact, been seeing a lot of volatility recently. Okay, as we all know, you guys can clearly see that. So, this is part of crypto, guys. Okay, we're going to see some volatility. But don't you guys worry, we're gonna see Bitcoin, okay, going back up to its previous highs of 109, okay, $109,000. As we all know, that is Bitcoin's previous all-time high as of right now, and it will reach much, much higher very, very soon. I really do believe this month in February, we're gonna see some massive moves happening for Bitcoin and altcoins, okay? So guys, be ready for that, okay? So yes, Bitcoin right now 101, okay, $101,000 for 100. So yeah, I really do believe in the next few days or in the next few weeks, okay, during this month of February, yes, we're gonna see Bitcoin reach back up to its previous all-time highs, even reaching a new high. That's gonna happen very, very soon. So Bitcoin holders, be ready for that. The market today is not really moving. Okay, in fact, it's gone down quite a bit. The global crypto market cap right now is sitting at 3.45 trillion, so it's dropped quite a bit. And the market today overall is down over 1%. So, past 24 hours, we're not seeing huge moves happening for Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down over 4%, which is quite surprising, right? It's now back at $3.1 thousand. Okay, so don't worry, guys. I get it. Ethereum hasn't really been moving. It's dropping quite a bit today, but this is a great opportunity to buy some Ethereum because I'm telling you this right now. Ethereum will shock a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people, I get it, right, are in fact losing faith for Ethereum. It hasn't really been moving. It hasn't even went back up to its previous highs yet of 4.8K, right? It hasn't even reached a new high yet, which is quite surprising because Bitcoin, as we all know, did reach back up to its previous highs and been reaching new highs recently, right, as we know. But Ethereum, on the other hand, hasn't done that yet. But like I said, guys, many times, don't worry, Ethereum will have its day, okay? When alt season does start, we're going to see Ethereum leading the way, okay, for alt season, because as we can all know, Ethereum is the second largest crypto coin out of the entire crypto market, right? You guys can clearly see that right behind Bitcoin. And Ethereum is the second, okay, or not the second, the largest, right? The largest altcoin out there in the market. So when alt season does start, guys, we're going to see Ethereum leading the way, okay? So Get ready for that, guys. Okay, we're going to see some massive moves happening for Ethereum, and there is in fact one specific Ethereum chart that I do want to show you guys, clearly showing us that we're going to see Ethereum reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new high. So be ready for that. Now, other alts today are down as well. Yeah, as you can clearly see, for the past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins down over 3%, some even over 5%, right? So alts today are dropping. Seems like the crypto markets today is in fact having another pullback. Okay, Trump meme coin is down 19%. This is going down even more now. It's holding at $20. Glad I didn't frame it in. Okay, into that meme coin. But yeah, fair few alts are down, guys. So this is truly a great day to buy. And I do believe this is going to be like, the last shakeout. Okay, as I told you guys, right? This is going to be the last shakeout because next month, okay, it's not next month. Okay, it's actually this month. It's February. I forget, right? I still think it's January. But yeah, it's February, and yes, clearly see it's been a slow start. Okay, a slow start. But things like this happens, right? Things like this happens. Okay, February usually, okay, we do see massive moves happening for February, as I showed you guys many times. February is truly one of the best months for Bitcoin and crypto, so I'm expecting big moves this month, okay, in the next upcoming few days, and of course even few weeks. So Bitcoin and crypto holders, be ready for February, because we're gonna see some parabolic moves happening, right, for Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, last month, January, we ended it off at over 9%, 9.3% pretty much. Okay, almost 10%, so not too bad. But this month, I think we're gonna be at least, I want to say like 20%, 30%, even over 40%, right? It's gonna happen. So Bitcoin holders, be ready for that. Okay, a massive move is coming for Bitcoin and crypto this month in February. Okay, so get ready for that. Okay, now look, alt season is about to begin, guys. Okay, alt season is about to begin. Okay, so yeah, as you can clearly see, usually in February, this is where things really kick off. Okay, so like I said, okay, this month is going to be fantastic. Okay, just like we saw it back in 2021 in February, even back in 2017, right? We saw some amazing moves. So I really do believe this time around, why would it be different, right? So be ready for that. Now, again, the Bitcoin dominance, okay, it's going to drop. Okay, it's going to drop even more. We're going to see a massive drop happening, just like what it did back in 2017. Okay, we're going to see it happening again. Okay, history will repeat itself, guys. And as I told you guys many times, okay, when we do see the Bitcoin dominance collapsing, that's going to be a huge signal for alt season. Okay, so be ready for that. Now, this is a Ethereum chart that I do want to show you guys, okay? And it's just clearly showing you guys that, yes, Ethereum is going to be going back up to its previous highs of $4.8 thousand, even reaching new highs. It's going to happen, guys, okay? I truly do believe what this chart is, in fact, showing us here is, in fact, going to be happening for Ethereum, okay, for this alt season. So I do see Ethereum easily going back up to its previous highs of 4.8K, even reaching new highs of $5,000 to $7,000 to even $10,000. It's going to happen. I really do believe, for us to see a, 10K Ethereum this bull run, I think that is very possible, even higher than 10K, maybe like, I don't know, 11K, 12K, 14K. We will have to see, but it is very possible, guys. So Ethereum holders, hang tight. Okay, we're almost there. We're going to see some massive moves happening for Ethereum. Don't worry, soon enough, okay, Ethereum will be reaching new highs, so be prepared for that. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so starting off this chart, so Bitcoin breakthrough. So Bitcoin has closed January above the blue line of the power law corridor and kicked off February on the other side, a significant shift, right? So soon enough, okay, we're going to see a massive move happening for Bitcoin, because usually when we see this breakout from this blue line, okay, and in the past, you also clearly see when we do see a breakout from this blue line, right, Bitcoin skyrockets, okay, it goes parabolic. So understand the next, okay, move is to us to see Bitcoin going parabolic pretty much, okay, so goosebumps, right? This is very exciting, okay? And this is why I really do believe this month in February, we're going to see Bitcoin going parabolic, right? So, again, okay, retest, okay, consolidation. So you guys just clearly see when Bitcoin breaks out of a channel, Bitcoin forms a consolidation to retest the channel before it moves higher again. And that's, exactly what we are focusing right now, retest consolidation, okay? And then soon enough, once we see a clear breakout, okay, yes, Bitcoin is going to go parabolic, okay? It's going to be reaching new highs, guys. And you guys may be wondering, where is the target short term? Okay, where's Bitcoin going to be heading in the next few weeks? I actually do believe $158,000 is the target. Okay, it's going to happen for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, like we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 110, okay, and then 120, 130 to 150 to 160. Okay, it's going to happen. So, guys, be ready for that. Okay, the target is $158,000. I do believe that's going to happen very, very soon for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin holders, be ready for that. Okay. But yes, Bitcoin, $200,000, okay? Very, very possible. I really do believe 200K is like an easy target for Bitcoin, especially with the Bitcoin strategic reserve happening. That's going to really push Bitcoin well above $200,000. I think it's going to go to like 300K to even 400 to 500K per Bitcoin this bull run. It is very possible, okay, because we are in fact seeing, the Bitcoin strategic reserve happening. We're seeing a lot of adoption happening for Bitcoin as well, right? A lot of institutions, a lot of different countries out there around the world are adopting Bitcoin. Okay, they are in fact buying and holding Bitcoin. They understand where Bitcoin is heading in the future, long term, right? So a lot of adoption is happening for Bitcoin. So yes, we're going to easily see Bitcoin reaching 200K in my opinion. And I do believe it's going to go way higher than 200K, as I told you guys many times. 250, 280, very possible, right? Even 300K to 4 to 500K, right? Very possible as well. And this is the last chart that I want to show you guys. So you guys can clearly see the Bitcoin bull rally incoming. So a lot of people think Bitcoin has reached the peak. No, okay, it hasn't. I get it. Bitcoin hasn't really been moving for the past few weeks, but it will, guys. Don't worry. We're going to see a massive move happening for Bitcoin, and it's going to be going to 200K to 300K and above, right? It's going to reach a peak. And then, of course, next year, 2026, is going to be the bear market, and that's when we're going to see Bitcoin pretty much dropping back down to the downside. And of course, altcoins, not just Bitcoin, altcoins will drop like over 50% easily. Okay, so that's why I always tell you guys to take a profits with alts, right? And with those profits, reinvest into something like Bitcoin, because we should always be buying and holding Bitcoin. You don't really want to be selling your Bitcoin. So this will always tell you guys to treat Bitcoin like it's your savings account. Okay, instead of saving dollars, instead of saving in fiat, right, reinvest it into assets that hold its value, that appreciates over time. Okay, and people, buy silver, people buy gold. You can do that if you want to. You can park your money there. Okay, but for me, guys, I put it into Bitcoin. Okay, also people put into like index funds, right? Real estate. Okay, but personally, I'll suggest you guys to put it into Bitcoin. Okay, and just leave it there and never sell your Bitcoins, right? So that is that. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and crypto. But like I said many times, I do believe, okay, we're going to see the entire crypto market, so, meaning Bitcoin and altcoins, will move. It's going to go parabolic this month in February. As we all know, okay, February is one of the most bullish times for Bitcoin and crypto. So I'm expecting big moves happening for this month in February. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think is going to happen for this month in February? I'd love to know. But on that, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Have a good one, guys.